Good morning, everyone. Today, as a team member of our project StudyNotion, the EduTech platform, I am here to provide an overview of our project. Our project deals with the active platform of StudyNotion. This project is comprises of four members with one leader. Leader as Aditya Soni, first member as Anushree Sharma, second as Anuj Soni, third as Bhoommi Vishwakarma, and fourth as Harsh Mehta. To start with the project, I would really like to introduce the table content of the project. It is followed by introduction, abstract, solution, interface requirement, performance requirement, functional and non-functional attribute, use case diagram and prototype, technology stack, scope, and conclusion. So let's start with the project introduction. This project basically deals with the StudyNotion, which is an educational website built using MERN stack, mainly used ReactJS, NodeJS, MongoDB, and ExpressJS. It helps users to create and share learning content, work on a group projects in real time, and communicate easily. MongoDB handles data efficiently, while React.js makes website easy to use. User can rate and give feedback on content, which help to improve quality. The platform is designed to improve collaboration and show how technology can enhance the education. For the abstract of the project, I would like to invite my another team member, Anushree Sharma, to give the overview of the project.
StudyNotion is a new educational platform that uses modern technologies to help people learn in different ways. It is built with the MERN stack using four technologies: Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, and ExpressJS to make sure everything runs smoothly. Through it, users can create and work together on educational content that includes text, images, videos, etc., and can have discussion. It supports teamwork on the project in real time. It is easy to use and works well on different devices. Communication on the platform is quick and responsive. It gives both teachers and students a new way to learn and share knowledge. Study Notion shows how technology can change education for better by making it easier to create, share, and learn from educational content. It creates a community where people can learn together to make learning experience better. Now, for further explanation of project, I would like to invite my one more team member, Aditya Soni.
So why EdTech? Our EdTech platform can provide various specifications like elaboration, learning, global connection between instructor and learner, a platform for instructor to showcase their talent, and elaboration. This platform is designed with various interactive users interface that simplifies the process of content creation and navigation. This makes it too easy for both instructor and learner to use the platform effectively. And this platform offers a wide range of content that can cater a various learning styles and subjects. This versatility ensures that learners can find materials that suits their specific needs and preference, whether it will be text-based resource, video tutorials, interactive models, and other. Learning global connection between instructor and learner. This platform forecasts a global connection between instructor and learner, breaking down geographically barriers. This enables learners from different parts of the world to access a desirable range of instructional content and interact with instructor for various backgrounds. For other for other topic, I would like to call Anuj.
Here is the performance requirement of our project. First one is the ability to accumulate a growing user base without compromising performance. Second one is minimal downtime and high availability to ensure uninterrupted access to course materials. And another is a strong measure to safeguard user data and ensure privacy, efficient management of users' account roles and permissions, features that promote engagement, tools to attract students' progress and assess course effectiveness. Here are the functional attributes of our project. First one is user authentication, in which secure sign up and login. User need a safe way to create accounts and login. It's like giving each student a secure ID card to access the platform. Second is OTP verification. When a user sign in or sign up, logs in, they receive a one-time password. Another is payment integration, in which the platform allows user to buy courses easily using Razor Pay app payment gateway. And third one is cloud-based media management system. Media content like videos, images, and documents and stored and managed on a cloud service. It is like having a digital library where all the learning materials are stored safely and can be accessed anytime. And another is Markdown formatting, in which course content can be written and displayed easily using Markdown, a simple text formatting language. It is like using a special notebook that make it easy to write and format notes neatly and cleanly. And last one is state management. The platform uses Redux for efficient state management in the front end. This means keeping track of all the user data and activities in an organized way. And, and in another slide, there are non-functional attributes of our project. First one is performance. The platform should be fast and load content quickly. And second is the scalability. It should handle more user and content without slowing down. Third one is reliability. The, the platform should be available almost all the time with very little downtime. Fourth is security. It should have strong protection for user data. Imagine having a super secure lock on your door that keep out intruders. Fifth one is usability. The interface should be easy to use and navigate. Sixth one is accessibility. The platform should be usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. Seventh is compatibility. It should work well on all kind of devices like smartphone, tablets, and computer. Then another point is maintainability. The platform should be easy to update and improve. And last one is compliance. It should follow all relevant laws and regulations. For further information, I would like to invite Aditya Soni.
So now use case diagram. Basically, a use case diagram is a visual representation between user and a system. It helps in understanding the functional requirement of the system by duplicating what the system should do and how user interact with it. So in our use case diagram, there are three sections. First is student, second one is instructor, and third one is course. So the student section includes fields such as email, password, course details, and in instructor section includes name, email, password, and course detail. And in course section includes course name, description, instructor details, and media content. So for other slide, I would like to invite Harsh Mehta.
Now comes to the system architecture. The StudyNotion consists of three main components: the front end, the back end, and the database. The platform follows a client-server architecture with the front end serving as a client and the back end and database serving as a server. Now coming to the front end. The front end of the platform is built using ReactJS, which is a popular JavaScript library. ReactJS allow for the creation of dynamic and responsive user interfaces, which are critical for providing an engaging learning experience to the students. The front end communicates with the back end using the RESTful API call. Now there are several pages in the front end, like first one for the students, then for instructor, and then for admin. For a student, there is a home page. This page will have a brief introduction to the platform as well as the links of the course list and user details. Second is course list. This page will have a list of all the courses available on the platform along with their description and rating. Third one is wish. This page will display all the courses that a student has added. Fourth, card checkout. This page will allow the user to complete course purchase. Now coming to the instructor. For instructor, see a dashboard, highlight course management for the management of and edit profile details. Now coming for the admin, the dashboard, an insight, and an instructor management system. Front ReactJS is a popular JavaScript library for building user interface. We also use CSS and Java's Tailwind, which are styling framework that help make the user interface look good and responsive. Additionally, we use some NPM libraries to add extra functionality to the front end. To manage the state of the application, we use Redux, which is a popular state and management library for React. Now, coming to the backend part. StudyNotion uses a monolithic architecture with the backend built using NodeJS and ExpressJS, and MongoDB as a primary database. Monolithic architecture refers to the design approach where all the modules of the applications are combined into a single large program with a single code base to enable better control and performance. Now, coming to the features and functionalities of the backend. So first features is user authentication and authorization. Student and instructor can sign up and log into the platform using their email addresses and password. The platform also supports OTP, that means one-time password verification, and forgot password functionality for added security. Second one is course management. Instructor can create, read, update, and delete courses as well as manage course content and media. Student can view and rate courses. Third one is payment integration. Students will purchase and enroll on courses by completing the checkout flow that is followed by Razorpay integration for the payment handling. Course-based management media management system. It uses Cloudinary, a cloud-based media management service to store and manage all the media content, including images, videos, and documents. Now coming to the frameworks and libraries and tools used in the StudyNotion. So the first tool is Node.js, or we can say the library. It is used as the primary framework for the backend. Second one is MongoDB. MongoDB is used as a primary database, providing a flexible and a scalable data storage solution. Third one is ExpressJS. It is used as a web application framework, providing a range of features and tools for building web application. Fourth one is JWT tokens. They are used for authentication and authorization, providing a secure and reliable way to manage user credentials. Fourth one is Bcrypt. It is used for password hashing, adding an extra layer of security to the user data. Now coming to the last, the Mongoose. Mongoose is used as an object data modeling ODM library, providing a way to interact with MongoDB using JavaScript. Now I welcome Aditya Soni for further discussion.
Now coming to the scope of our project. Basically, StudyNotion creates an engaging and interactive learning experience for students using advanced technology. It is designed to be easy to use for both teachers and students. Teacher can showcase their skills on studying StudyNotion by building profiles, sharing knowledge, and connecting with people all over the world. This helps to create a community for sharing ideas. Students can work together on projects, join discussions, and participate in group activities in real time, making learning more interactive and collaborative. So, for conclusion, I would like to call Bhoommi. माइक बंद है माइक बंद है
आ रही आवाज?
हाँ जी आ रही है.
So, for the conclusion of the project, we concluded that the creation and the launch of our online study website with our unwavering dedication and the collaboration efforts, we have transformed formed our vision into a fully functional platform that empowers learners with accessible and interactive education resources. We have prioritized user experience in every aspect of our projects, crafting an interface that is not only visually appealing but also highly functional. From straightforward navigation to easily accessible resources, our website is designed to empower users, making learning a delightful and smooth with enjoyable process. Thank you.